gathering around the fire. A tradition as old as humanity itself. It's a ritual that's been kept through hundreds of generations. And here we are today, 2023. Imagine all the tales and secrets that have been told around the embers of a fire. And it's around fires that we share stories, laughter, plans for world domination, and most importantly, meals. Korean barbecue has been a part of Korean history since the Goguryeo era of 37 BC to 668 AD. Back then, bulgogi was a form of skewered meat, and throughout the different eras of Korean history, it evolved to become a form of marinated and roasted, thinly sliced meat. Korean barbecue spots can be notorious for long waits. But why wait when you can easily do it at home? Today, our good friend Isaac and photographer extraordinaire shows us the way. For a home setting, you have your portable butane stove and a round grill pan. The essential components of a Korean barbecue are the following: your proteins, traditionally thinly sliced meats, banchan or side dishes, vegetables, wrap options, dipping sauces, and of course, and almost obligatory, alcohol. So we fire up the grill, crack open a few cold ones, and let the feast begin. I know what you're thinking. Grilling indoors is just asking for trouble. But this is very common, to my surprise as well. You turn on the fan, cook near an open window, and you're set. We sit around the living room table, comfortable, the round grill sizzling, the flavors and smells filling the air. No smoke alarms triggered. The flavors are fire and the camaraderie is second to none. It's simple and satisfying, like all good things in life. We are full but not bloated. Time for a nightcap and some more banter, some jokes and some serious stuff. A chill night in Florida, around the fire, well fed, and in that moment, it felt like all was right in the world.